Jai Shri Ram, Om Namah Shivaya, Jai Shri Hanuman. You are listening to Tejaswini and this is a live audio हनुमान जयंती स्पेशल। आज हनुमान जयंती है और हम आज बात करेंगे हनुमान चालीसा की। द चौपाई वाइज एक्सप्लेनेशन एंड बेनिफिट ऑफ हनुमान चालीसा। तो हनुमान जो हैं वो हमारे इष्ट, बहुत ही प्रिय इष्ट देव हैं। ही इज सब शक्ति, बल, विद्या, सब सिद्धियों निधियों के होल्डर हैं, मास्टर हैं, दाता हैं। ही इज द कंट्रोलर ऑफ एवरीथिंग, पंच तत्व, पंच प्राण, पंचभूत, वायु तत्व के ये पवन पुत्र हैं, सो वायु तत्व इनके फुल कंट्रोल में है। तो हमारी प्राण प्रतिष्ठा करते हैं। प्राण प्रतिष्ठा माने री इंस्टॉलेशन ऑफ प्राण। सो व्हेन यू रिमेंबर हनुमान और व्हेन यू आर इन्वॉल्व्ड इन एनी हनुमान प्रैक्टिस, यू actually rebirth yourself. So today we will talk about the हनुमान चालीसा। तो हनुमान को याद करने के लिए या हनुमान की पूजा करने के लिए जो सबसे इजी मेथड है या सबसे इजी उपाय या साधन है वो है हनुमान चालीसा। तो हनुमान चालीसा was written by तुलसीदास जी और इसकी एक इसमें 40, जैसे बोलते हैं 40 तो 40 चौपाई हैं, 2 दोहे हैं। there are 2 introductory dohas and there is a doha in the end as well. So let us talk about all these chaupais. What is the meaning of these chaupais? And let us understand the benefit of each of these chaupais, chanting each of these chaupais for ourselves. तो पहला जो इंट्रोडक्टरी दोहा है, श्री गुरु चरण सरोज रज निज मन मुकुर सुधारी, बरनउ रघुबर बिमल जशु जो दायक फलचारी। The lotus feet of Sri Hanuman, with the dust of this lotus feet of Hanuman, I clean the mirror of my mind. My mind is like a mirror and I clean it. And then I speak of or I describe the glory of Sri Ram. Ram gives 4 fruits to all of us: dharma, arth, kam and moksha. So this chaupai brings to us Guru Kripa. That is the benefit of this chaupai, this doha. Then the next doha is Buddhihin tanu janike sumiro pavan kumar, bal buddhi vidya dehu mohi harahu kalesh bikar. I am buddhihin, I am ignorant, and I meditate upon you. I chant your name, Pavan Kumar. Give me the strength, give me the buddhi, give me the vidya, give me the knowledge, and remove all my kleshas, remove all my pains. So this doha, if you chant this doha, it will bring upon you strength, wisdom and knowledge. Then we start with the chaupais. जय हनुमान ज्ञान गुण सागर, जय कपीस तिहु लोक उजागर। Hanuman, you are the ocean of wisdom, of Gyan and Gun, of wisdom and virtue. Or you're the lord of the monkeys, Kapis, and who enlightens all the 3 worlds. The 3 worlds are all lighted up by you. Ramadut atulit baldhama, Anjani putra pavan sutanama. You are the messenger of Shri Ram and you possess a lot of strength. You are the putra of Anjani and you are the son of the wind god Pavan. So this chaupai brings upon you bal, strength. Mahavir Bikram Bajrangi Kumati Nivar Sumati Ke Sangi. You're a great hero, Mahavir, and you're very, very brave, and your body is like a thunderbolt, and you dispel all bad thoughts, bad company, Kumati, and you bring good sense, good wisdom, Sumati. So this chaupai, chanting this chaupai will help us remove bad thoughts, bad company, and bring good thoughts and good company to us. The fourth chaupai, Kanchana Barana Biraj Subesa Kanan Kundal Kunchit Kesa. You possess a very beautiful golden body and you're dressed so beautifully. You wear nice earrings and you have beautiful curly hair. So this chaupai will bring upon you a good physical demeanor, a good body, a good attire, and the way you present yourself to the world. The fifth chaupai, Haath braj aur dhwaja biraje, kandhe moonj janeyu saje. You're holding the flag in your hands, you're holding the thunderbolt in your hands, and you're wearing the sacred janeyu, the sacred thread across your shoulder. So this chaupai brings victory. So this brings victory to whoever chants it. Sixth one, Shankar Suvan Kesari Nandan Tej Pratap Mahajagavandan. You are the avatar of Shiva and you are the son of Kesari Nandan. You are praised by the whole world. You have, because of your strength, because of your courage. So this chaupai will bring to us pratap. It will help us spread our light. The seventh chaupai, Vidyavan Guni Ati Chatur Ram Kaj Karibe Ko Atur. So you are learned, you've got wisdom, you've got knowledge, you've got intelligence, and you are always eager to do the work of Ram. So this chaupai will bring Vidya and Gun to the chanter. Then, Prabhu Charitra Sunibeko Rasya Ram Lakhan Sita Man Basya. You love to listen to the glories of Sri Ram. And you have this, in your heart, you have Sri Ram, Sri Lakshman, Devi Sita. So this chaupai, whoever chants it, brings the kripa of Lord Ram, Sita and Lakshman. Sukshma roop dhari siyahi dikhawa, vikat roop dhari lank jarawa. You can take any form. You can take a very small, tiny form like you appeared before Devi Sita, or you can take a very huge form and you can burn Lanka. So this chaupai, it brings the grace of Lord Hanuman. You can gather any ability to take care of any difficulty in your life. This is the benefit of this chaupai. The 10th chaupai, Bheem Roop Dhari Asur Sahare Ramachandra Ke Kaj Savare. So you assumed a Bhimkaya roop, you assumed a very huge form, and you destroyed the asuras, the demons, and you achieved the work of Sri Ram. So this chaupai will help you destroy the negative forces within you and even outside. Laye sajivan lakhan jiyaye Shri Raghubir harshi ur laye. So you brought the Sanjeevani herb. You helped in curing Lakshman, reviving Lakshman. And because of this, Sri Ram had hugged you, embraced you, and was filled with joy. So this chaupai will help in health issues, in diseases, in curing diseases. This is the benefit of this chaupai. रघुपति कीनी बहुत बड़ाई, तुम मम प्रिय भरत ही संभाई. So Sri Ram had praised you a lot, and he had told you that you are like as dear to me as my own brother Bharat. So this chaupai will bring the love and grace of the elders to us. सहस बदन तुमरो यश गावे, अस कई श्रीपति कंठ लगावे. Even the Seshnag who has got 1,000 hoods, the Nag with 1,000 hoods, he praised you. And this is what Sri Ram told you when he took you in his embrace. So this chaupai will bring yash, it will bring help, spread your reputation. Sankadik Brahmadi Munisha Narad Sarad Sahita Ahisha. All the rishis, munis, Lord Brahma, Narad, Devi Saraswati, Seshnag, all sang your glory. So this chaupai will help in again spreading your yash, spreading good name, fame for you. Yam Kuber Dikpal jahan the, kavi ko vid kahin sake kahan the. Even Yam, the god of death, Kuber, the god of wealth, all the Dikpalas are the guardians of the directions. All poets, kavis, scholars, all they have tried to describe your beauty and glory, but they have not been fully able to justify that glory. So this chaupai again is about name, fame, glory, and helps in spreading that, a positive aura around yourself. Tum upkar sugri vahi kina, Ram milaye rajpad deena. You are the one who helped Sugriv, the king of the Vanars. You introduced him to Sri Ram and you helped him give back his kingdom. So this chaupai will bring you favors from the authorities, from the Raj Adhikaris, the Rajpad, so from the administration, from the government. So this helps in getting help from the authorities. Tumaro mantra Vibhishan mana, Lankeshwar bhai sab jag jana. Even Vibhishan followed your advice. And the whole world knows how he became the king of Lanka. So this chaupai helps you bring good guidance, good counsel, good help from people. Yug sahastra yojan par bhanu, lilyo tahi madhur fal janu. The sun which is so many miles away, so many yojanas away, you swallowed that sun thinking that it was some kind of a fruit, sweet fruit. So this chaupai will bring upon the sadhak the Surya Kripa, the Surya Shakti, Surya Kripa, the light of the sun. Prabhu Mudrika Meli Mukhmai Jaladi Lagi Gaye Acharaj Nahi. You carried Lord Rama's ring in your mouth and you crossed the huge ocean. Everybody knows that you crossed the ocean. So this chaupai again helps you do wonderful things, to exceed your limits, exceed your potential, and do things which you normally don't think you can do. Durgam kaj jagat ke jete, sugam anugrah tumre tete. All the difficult durgam tasks of the world can be made easy by your guidance and your help. So this chaupai, as it says, helps you take on difficult tasks easily. Ram duare tum rakhware, hot na agya binu paisare. You are the gatekeeper of Sri Ram. The road to Sri Ram is through you. No one can enter without your permission. So you are the road to. So this chopai is tells you that the key to uh, the greater achievements in life is Lord Ram. So the road to the higher self, the road to the higher truth is Ram Nam. सब सुख लहे तुम्हारी सरना, तुम रक्षक काहू को डरना. Those who take your protection are happy. If you are the protector, then there is no fear. So this chopai directly brings protection and the grace, the fearlessness of from Lord Hanuman to us. आपन तेज सम्हारो आपे, तीनों लोक हांकते कापे. You have so much tej that you alone can control your own energy. When you speak, when you roar, then all the three worlds, they will shake and tremble. Bhulok, Swargalok, Patalok, all the three worlds will tremble. So this chopai will bring huge energy. It's about energy to the sadhak. भूत पिशाच निकट नहीं आवे, महावीर जब नाम सुनावे. When your name is heard, or anyone who takes your name will chase away any negative forces, negative energies, evil spirits. They will not come near you. So this chopai will help us ward off any negative energies, psychic attacks, black magic. नाशे रोग हरे सब पीड़ा, जपत निरंतर हनुमत वीरा. नासे रोग हरे सब पीड़ा, you destroy diseases, you remove all pains. When one takes your name nirantar, continuously. So this chopai is about destroying, helps the sadhak to remove all his pains. संकट ते हनुमान छुड़ावे, मन क्रम बचन ध्यान जो लावे. Hanuman frees you from difficulties, but you need to meditate on him with man kram bachan. Man means with the mind, action, and with words. So you have to focus all your efforts, and then he will relieve you from all sankats. So this chopai will help relieve various kinds of issues and problems and difficulties. सब पर राम तपस्वी राजा, तिनके काज सकल तुम साजा. Sri Ram is the king of the tapasvis. All the tapasvis they are ruled by Sri Ram. And you do all the work of Sri Ram. You are the caretaker of Sri Ram. So this chopai will directly bring the kripa of all the tapasvis and Sri Ram. और मनोरथ जो कोई लावे, सोई अमित जीवन फल पावे. Any desire which the sadhak may have, Lord Hanuman will provide the fruit, will help in fulfillment. So this chopai will directly help in fulfilling desires. चारों युग प्रताप तुम्हारा, है प्रसिद्ध जगत उजियारा. All the yugs, the 4 ages, your name and fame prevails there. And your name and fame spreads throughout this world. So this chopai will bring again name and fame to the sadhak. Sadhu sant ke tum rakhware, asur nikandan Ram dulare. You are the protector, the savior of saints, the gurus, the siddhas, the rishi munis, the spiritual community. You destroy all the negative forces and you are loved by Sri Ram. So this chopai again brings spiritual protection. Anyone who is on the spiritual path is protected. अष्ट सिद्धि नवनिधि के दाता, असबर दीन जानकी बाता. You are the provider of various siddhis. Siddhis are the special abilities or special powers which a sadhak may have in his journey, may get during his journey. So you are the one who gives those siddhis. You also give the nidhis. Nidhis are the wealth, various types of material, spiritual, various types of wealth which a sadhak may have. And you got this ability from Sita. So this chanting this Chaupai will bring us the grace of Hanuman in acquiring special powers, special spiritual abilities, and in evolving in our spiritual path. Ram Rasayan tumre pasa sada raho Raghupati ke dasa. You hold the key to the kingdom of Ram, to the heart of Sri Ram, and you always remain, you always have been the server of Sri Ram, Dasa of Sri Ram. So this Chaupai tells us that the key to the higher aspects or higher mysteries of life is through Ram, and Hanuman has that key in his hand. So taking the name of Hanuman and taking the name of Ram provides the sadhak with that key. Tumare bhajan Ram ko pave, janam janam ke dukh bisrave. When you pray to Lord Hanuman, you get free of all your sorrows, even past life sorrows. And you also come close to Sri Ram. So this Chaupai will help us, relieve us of sorrows from the past, pains of the past, even past life pains. Ant kal Raghupati pur jai, jahan janma Hari Bhakt kahai. At the end, one goes to the kingdom of Sri Ram, where one is known as the devotee of Sri Ram, devotee of Hari. So this Chaupai will help the sadhak in the higher path of enlightenment, achieving this kingdom of Sri Ram. और देवता चित्त न धरिए, हनुमत से ही सब सुख करिए. Even if you don't worship other devatas, all the energies, all the happiness can come to the sadhak by worshipping Sri Hanuman. So Sri Hanuman is the key to the other devatas as well. So this Chaupai will bring the benefit of all other spiritual deities, devatas, and upon the sadhak. Sankat hare mite sab peeda, jo sumire Hanumat balbira. All difficulties disappear, all sorrows can be removed to whoever who takes the name and who meditates on Shri Hanuman. So this Chaupai will directly help you remove the sankats, the peedas, the pains, the difficulties. Jai 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 Hanuman Gusai, Kripa Karhu Gurudev ki nai. Jai to Hanuman, victory to Hanuman. Please give your kripa to the sadhak. Please give your grace as the supreme guru to me. So this brings the grace of, this Chaupai brings the grace of Hanuman. Jo shatbar paat kar koi, chut hi bandi mahasukh hoi. Whoever recites the Hanuman Chalisa 100 times will get freedom from a lot of worldly issues and will also get happiness, huge happiness. So this Chaupai directly recommends chanting the name of Hanuman, says 100 times. If we chant 108 times, it is all the better. Anyone who can chant it 108 times without giving much break, it may take some few hours, but it will help resolve whatever is the issue for the sadhak. जो ये पढ़े हनुमान चालीसा होए सिद्धि साखी गौरी सा. Those who read the Hanuman Chalisa regularly and with devotion, they get perfection. And this is Even Lord Shiva, this Chopai says, Lord Shiva can vouch for this. So this Chopai will help the sadhak attain perfection in his path. Tulsi Das Sada Hari Chera Kije Nad Hriday Mahadera. So this is the last Chopai. Tulsi Das, who is always in service of Lord Ram, Hari, he prays now in the last Chopai. He says, please Ram, please Hanuman, come into my heart. So this Chopai directly opens the heart of the sadhak to the grace, to the love of Sri Ram and Hanuman. Then we have the concluding doha. Pavan Tanay Sankat Haran Mangal Murti Rupa Ram Lakhan Sita Sahit Hriday Basahu Surubhupa. Hanuman, who is the son of Pavan, who removes all difficulties, who is very, very sacred, very, very auspicious, along with Sri Ram, Sri Lakshman and Sita, please come and stay in my heart. So this is the last appeal of the sadhak for the grace of Hanuman and Sri Ram and for these energies to dwell in the heart permanently. So this is the entire Hanuman Chalisa, 40 Chopais, 2 introductory dohas and 1 ending doha, and chanting this Hanuman Chalisa regularly and on special occasions for special problems, special difficulties, 108 times non-stop. You can even have a group of people who can chant 108 times. Like if you can't do it alone, if you do it alone, it may take 5 hours, 5 to 6 hours. You can also have 2-3 family members who can take the place and keep the chain going without stopping. And you can have a sankalp before the 108 times chanting. What is the purpose of that chanting? And then you see how energies change with Hanuman Chalisa. So you can start chanting the Hanuman Chalisa if you have not done so far. Get the grace of Lord Hanuman, Sri Ram, Devi Sita, Shiv and Shakti, and enjoy this day, Hanuman Jayanti, and we'll see you again. Do remember to like and follow this page called Tejaswini. Share it. Share this video in your groups, with your friends, in your timeline, so that more and more people can learn about the benefit of Hanuman Chalisa and the grace of Lord Hanuman. Goodbye.